We'll guide you through how to fix a hard drive not detected in Windows 11 or 10. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. You can follow this guide where you've got an internal hard drive in your computer or an external one that you've plugged in and they're not showing up. This is annoying because you then can't go and start adding files to it and transferring files to it. If you open up your File Explorer and press this PC and it's not showing up, let's get started with fixing it. What you need to do is come to the bottom of your computer and press search, and you want to go and type in format hard disk partitions, and you can open this up. Now, what you need to do is you need to go and find the disk. So you can scroll down at the bottom, and what you're looking for is an unallocated one. As you can see here, it is. So it's unallocated, meaning we can't use it. So go and right click on unallocated and press new simple volume, press next, press next. You can choose a drive letter and press next. I don't change any of this. Then we can press next and we can press finish. Now the space is going to go and be allocated. Now if we come to File Explorer, you'll go and see it now appears. New volume D, you may need to restart it. But that's it. We've now gone and made it be detected and show up.